Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add products to collection in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in the Shopify store, and when you're going to be here, click on product, and then there are two ways how you can do it. Click on a product, and here you just want to simply choose the collections here and find the collection, right? And add some collection, and then just like save. The different way is just like click collections here and click on your collection. As you can see, we have already product here, and just write and I choose done. So I just write it in the search and voila, here we got it. So this is pretty much it how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.